One of the topics BinaryEdge has been looking into is cyber insurance. And the reason for that is that we believe we found a common set of flaws in the current model of cyber insurance. We've written about this in a blog post, and I'll make sure the link is in the description for anyone that wants to have a look. But how is our platform going to help us with cyber insurance? For that, we're going to have to go into the Experiments tab. And essentially the Experiments tab is sometimes we create small tools that we believe are useful for some of our clients, but not all of them, and we'll selectively release them under this tab. And we're going to look into our entity mapping. Entity mapping is an approach that BinaryEdge believes could be a much easier way for cyber insurers to really reduce the risk of the companies they're insuring. We simply provide you with a search text bar where you can type the name of the company you want to insure. We'll look, for example, at Zomato. The moment you press Zomato, we will find every single domain and IP address that belongs to this company. We'll give it a score, and we also allow you to look at each and every one of their assets and their risk score according to our fully open source formulas. You'll also be able to generate a report that has all of this information in one PDF file. Upon the report being generated, the button will transform into the download report. We can choose 3 different languages between English, German and Portuguese. When you press the English button, it allows you to download the report, which will show how it looks like. And it's essentially a unified report with all the information about all the different assets that belong to that company. And this is one of the topics that BinaryEdge intends to use to fix cyber insurance. Another important point is that if we don't have an entity mapped, let's type a random word, there's always a possibility for a customer to create a custom entity where they type the company name. We'll call it blah blah AG. You can type the different alternative names. You can select the country. You can select the industry as well. And then it shows up a list of all the different industries, and you can also feed it a known domain as a seed. Of course, if you don't have a seed, the process of mapping will take a little bit longer, but if we do receive some initial domain or domains, it will make the process a lot more faster. And this concludes our demo of the cyber insurance part of the BinaryEdge platform.